Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to fix Snapchat stories or Snap not uploading on your iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, a slow or unstable connection can stop upload. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check your iPhone stories. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. If your storage is full, delete some unused apps, photos or files. Low storage can prevent uploads from complete. Next, close and reopen the Snapchat. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Snapchat to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again and try uploading your snap or story. Next, update the Snapchat. Open the App Store, search for Snapchat and tap Update if available. Update useNfix box that prevents snaps and stories from uploading. Finally, delete and install the Snapchat. Press and hold the Snapchat icon. Tap Remove app, then delete app. Install it from the App Store and try uploading your snaps or stories again. And that's it. This step should fix the Snapchat stories or snaps not uploading on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.